Good day everyone. So I am Gracia Sofia Mariel from BS Ed 1E. So we gonna tackle about the analysis of School Ko number 1, the documentary of Eyewitness and hosted by Sandra Aguinaldo. And it was published August 12, 2017, and it's all about the School of Sindangan Elementary School, one of the part poorest in the Philippines. So, Sindangan Elementary Schools got the rank 1 of the National Achievement Test according to Department of Education in the year of 2006. So, despite the lack of support by their municipality and lack of equipments of the schools, they still got the rank 1 all over the provinces in the Philippines. Abigail, Mildred, and Michelle are part of the latency stage of psychosexual development because as I observe the documentary, they are focusing the academic life. They are still want to achieve the something successfully when it comes to ACADS. And Teacher Leia are part of the genital stage. Why? Because she already matured and she shows her personality, build a good relationship with her student, and she will able to help to have contribute to the society. Michelle and Mildred, they are both experienced Sigmund Freud personality component, which is ego. Michelle and Mildred are aware of the reality of what they live in. So lumaki sila sa hirap. So they are not like the other children who do not think about any problem when it comes to studying and financial status. And as I observe of this documentary, especially to Mildred, she is aware that her family ay simple lang ang kanilang estado sa buhay, and she knows the reality of how her father worked hard para lang makapag-aral silang magkakapatid. So, sinabi pa niya doon sa documentaries, kung hindi man siya makapagtapos is nanaisin na lang niyang maging katulong para matulungan niya ang kanyang pamilya. And Abigail, she is experienced super ego because she shows in the documentary how she being responsible students of Sindangan Elementary School. And also, her interest is teaching and reading to children. So, she wants to become teacher someday. And her good personality shows good influence to the other students to motivate and how to be a good students or how to be a responsible students. And Teacher Leia, you can also see her in the personality of super ego because it shows of how she good and responsible teacher of her students, not only as a teacher but also as a co-worker. So her passion and dedication in teaching shows of how she are responsible as a teacher. Abigail, Mildred, and Teacher Leia, I can see her in her personalities that shows formal stage because Abigail, Mildred, and Teacher Leia use logical thinking process, particularly of how they to make them understand the students and the other children the topic that they are teaching about. So si Abigail po, siya ay nagbabasa sa harapan ng grade 1 pupil students. Kumukuha siya ng libro sa library and then kinukwento niya ito sa mga bata. So, para maintindihan ng mga bata, ang kanyang kinukwento is, binabasa niya muna ito sa English and tinatranslate niya ito sa Bisaya upang maintindihan ng mga bata yung story binabasa niya. Si Mildred naman po, siya naman ay nagtuturo mula sa kanilang baryo ng tinuturuan niya yung mga bata na kapitbahay niya na daycare students. So, tinuturuan niya kung paano mag-solve ng math problem, kagaya ng addition, subtraction, and multiplications. And not also that, tinuturuan din niya kung paano magkabisado ng ABCD, kung paano magbasa ng abakada. And si Teacher Leia naman po, isa sa mga pinakamahusay na guro sa Sindangan of Elementary School. Ang kanyang strategic method sa pagtuturo ay gumagawa siya ng iba't ibang palaro while the discussions para daw hindi daw antukin ang mga bata at mas lalong ma-entertain ito sa kanyang discussions at mas maging active, proactive ang mga bata when it comes sa mga activity pinapagawa niya. Si Michelle naman po, I can see her in personality of concrete operational stage because operational stage is masterizing the use of logic in concrete ways. So since si Michelle ay student ni Teacher Leia, minamasterize niya kung paano mag-solve ng problem sa mathematics, and also she always read a book so that she became a proficient reading in sa iba't ibang lingwahe like kagaya ng English and Filipino. So, Abigail are on the stage 2, which is the autonomy versus shame and doubt. So, because she shows in the documentary of being how she became independent students and to show her ability to teach the students of Sindangan Elementary School. Si Mildred naman po ay nakikita ko sa kanya ay yung stage 3, initiative versus guilt, because she initiates to do the task and she doesn't need any command just to make to do things. So that's why she has initiatives. And Teacher Leia are on the stage 7, the generativity versus stagnations, because she focus on the contribute the society, and she is not selfish person, so she will able to teach the students of Sindangan Elementary School. The Mildred and Abigail shows the stage 2, which is the self-interest. Kasi dito makikita mo yung interest nila sa pag-aaral at kung paano nila gustong makapagtapos ng pag-aaral para makamit nila ang kanilang pangarap. Like kagaya ni Abigail na gusto niya maging guro at ni Mildred. And si Teacher Leia naman, I can see her in her personalities of stage 4, authority, maintaining social order. So, dito, kaya ko siya nirelate doon kasi nakikita ko si Teacher Leia na kung paano niya, kasi desidido, kung paano niya ma-maintain yung entertainment ng mga bata while her discussions in the classroom. So, gumagawa siya ng iba't ibang pakulo, like kagaya ng mga palaro, para lang ma-entertain yung mga bata sa kanyang discussions when it comes to subject sa mathematics.